My Minka Aire fan does not have a reversing switch on the remote control. How can I reverse the fan direction?
Hello, my name is XXXXXX I'm here to answer any of your electrical questions. Do you have a light kit on the fan?
No.
On the side of the fan, where you would attach a light kit, is there a switch there? If not, please give me the model number and I will do my best to find the specs. If I could have the model of the remote as well.
Let me grab a ladder to look and I will respond.
I'll be here. Normally the revers button is on the remote as well, so please give me the model number of your remote as well.
Model CF452 or F513.
Is that the fan? What about the remote?
I have 5 Minka fans in my house, 4 of which have a reversing switch on the remote, but this one has none. What I gave you is the fan model.
Full-size image. Is this the fan?
Yes.
Did you by any chance notice a switch on the top of the fan itself? While you were getting the model number? We'll keep seeing what I can find.
There is nothing on top but a cover, and when I removed the bottom plate there was nothing but a sealed plate with 2 wires coming out, I assume for a light mount kit.
The remote control that I am seeing that should have came with the fan is a handheld remote, or a remote wall pad with the same features. Full-size image.
That is the remote for the other 4 fans. This fan has the identical looking remote except that there is no reversing arrows on the bottom circle as in this picture.
Did the remote come in the box with the fan, or did they give it to you separately?
It was in a small plastic holster on the wall when I bought the house.
Got it. I believe whoever owned the house before was sold the wrong remote control. Click here. This is the remote that you need for your fan. You can order it, or buy it at a local fan store in your area. Some remotes are not compatible with older receivers. The best thing to do would be to take a picture of your sticker with the model number and take it into a local shop to make sure you get the right one.
How do I know this fan has a receiver built into the fan?
You need to take the canopy from the top down, and that is where it is usually located. If it's a newer one, it will be green in color. If it is older, it will be black. How many dip switches do you see in the battery compartment of your remote? That is the newer style, so that is good. You just need to replace the remote with the one in the link I sent you.
Model for remote is UC7084T. Okay, thank you for your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.